We are almost done, guys. 15 days of Pokemon socks going till Christmas, and we are on day 12 with Venusaur. Let's see what we get, guys. Ooh. It's something good. Ooh. Those look a lot like the first ones I picked out. Nice. Those are awesome. All right, well, there's that. These are going so fast, huh, guys? We got Ghastly, Hunter, and Gengar. Just 3 more days, guys. All right, let's get to the opening. What's up, Honey Squad? All right, guys. Well, for today's opening, we are opening 9 packs of Championspath. So, searching. I will not give up trying to find that Charizard, or one of the two. I don't even care which one at this point. And to change it up, we're opening Sword and Shield base set. So we will not give up. Will we, Charmander? We will not give up. We will find something, and maybe today's opening or tomorrow's opening, or one day we are gonna find that Charizard, and I'm gonna be done opening Championspath because I'm getting sick of it. Alright guys, well, keep out for the Vivid Voltage Pack Battle Tournament, the Hydro Pump one, because that video will come out sometime next week. I don't know who I'm facing yet, so I will let you guys know as soon as I know. So, well, let's get these open. Alright, we're gonna start off with a little Sword and Shield base set. Let's go, guys. Again, I'm Honey93. If you want to help the channel out, guys, leave a like, comment down below. Those are the 2 best things that really helps my channel out. I appreciate it so much, guys. I really do. And consider subscribing. Here we go. Let's see. Fire Energy. Alright. Is that a sign for today's opening? Bisharp, Salazzle, Dugtrio, Sizzlipede, Yamper, Clobbopus, Cottonee, Choodle, Sable Reverse, and Dreadnought, non-holographic. Alright, let's open one more Sword and Shield, and then we'll get into Championspath. Guys, let's get something great today. I feel it. I feel the energy, guys. 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Evolution Incense, Salazzle, Bisharp, Goldeen, Roselia, Joltik, Silicobra, Blipbug, Sizzlipede, Reverse, and Lapras V. Alright, well, we will sleeve this one up real quick. First hit of the day, nothing too crazy. I already have a few of these. Gonna put that right over there. And now we're gonna get into some Championspath. Alright. Hopefully we get something great. Oh my goodness. Blue on these packs were real. Again, I've gotten these packs from like numerous, just like double boxes, 2, 3, 4, just stuff like that. Double, the chandelier ones, not chandelier, Arbok, Rotom Bike, Suspicious Food Tin, or the Hatterin boxes. Purloin, Machop, Nickit, Trubbish, Hatena, ooh, Reverse Fairy Energy, I don't have that one yet, and Holographic Galarian Obstagoon. Alright, you know what? I'm going to sleeve that, the energy. I've been sleeving all these reverse energies just because I really like them. Not really worth a whole lot, but I like them. Open up another Championspath. Here we go. Come on. I'm really getting sick of this set, guys. I just want to get those Charizards and be done. Be done with it. 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Fire Energy. Pierce. Team Yell Grunt. Hop. Ekans. Kakuna. Nickit. Swablu, Machop, Kakuna reverse, and ooh, finally something different. Dreadnought VMAX. Alright. That's a nice pull right there. Look at that. It's beautiful. Alright, just leave that one up. That's a nice pull. Finally we get something different for a change. Very nice, very nice. And now we're gonna open up Sword and Shield. Code card. 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Energy Search, Quick Ball, Galvantula, Baltoy, Wooloo, Joltik, Slandit, Clobbopus, Caparaja Reverse Rare, and Caparaja Holographic. Alright, well, nothing too fancy. I'm gonna sleeve up that holographic. Not really sleeving up the Championspath holographics just because I have just absolute abundance of them at this point. Ooh. Oh, I seen something. 2, 3, 4. Alright, well, Dark Energy, Hitmonchan, Great Ball, Galarian Lanoon, Shelder, Mawile, Sobble, Maractus, Mudbray, Grookey Reversed, and Snorlax V. Boo. I love you, Snorlax, but I already have so many of these. Let's leave that up. Alright, well, it is a pull nonetheless. So, gonna get into a little more of Championspath. Let's get something great. I'm ready. I am ready. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy, Hatchrim, Sonia, Beedrill, Full Heal, hashtag Scraggy Pants, Ekin, Kakuna, Nickit, NK Reverse, and Marnie Holographic. Alright, well. Come on, come on. Still got plenty of packs left for something great. Leaf Energy, Machoke, Beedrill, Arbok, Ekans, Swablu, Inkay, Patena, Kakuna, Zygarde Reverse, and Eldegoss V. Alright, well, that's getting sleeved. I feel like we're starting to have a little bit better luck with Championspath, but nothing too crazy. Okay, we're gonna keep moving on. Now, if we don't pull it today, guys, I have plenty more packs and products, so don't necessarily want to open them, but if we continue to not pull Mr. Charizard, we are gonna have to. So, Fighting Energy, Salazzle, Metal Saucer, Rotom Bike, Pinkerchin, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Mincino, Chinchou, Evolution Incense Reverse, and Cramorant non-holographic. Alright guys, well, here we go. Another pack of Championspath. Now, what are you guys most excited for? Shining Fates or Battle Styles? 2, 3, 4. I'm more excited for Shining Fates. That still looks awesome. Battle Styles looks awesome too. Yeah, I can't wait, guys. I do like the name Shining Fates. It's growing on me. I do. Is it a little bit lazy? Yeah, it's a little bit lazy, but I mean, I like the name regardless. It don't bother me. It's just a mixture of Shining Legends and Hidden Fates, and they just kind of combined them, which is pretty cool. Lycanroc reverse, and ooh, Incineroar V. We have not seen this one yet. Nice. I like that. I love Incineroar. Alright, getting sleeved up. Nice. Open up more Sword and Shield. Go. 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Fish Sharp, Pokemon Catcher, Haunter, Rookidee, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, Hoot, Pinkerchin Reverse, and Sandaconda, non-holographic. Here we go. Championspath, how many do we have left? We have 4 Championspath left and 3 Sword and Shield. So come on. Come on. Bam. 2, 3, 4. Water, Energy. Sonia, Kabu, Feed, Inkay, Pokeball, Sizzlipede, Galarian Zigzagoon, hashtag Scraggy Pants, Malamar Reverse, Galarian Obstagoon. And oh man. Guys, seriously, I don't know what it is, but I cannot pull these gold cards from this set. Either of them. I don't know why I pulled the full arts. I just can't, I can't get it. Zamazenta and Zacian. It's crazy. Lightning Energy, Kingler, Rhydon, Big Charm, Chinchou, Diglett, Ferroseed, Goldeen, Rosalia, Rotom Bike Reverse, and Cinderace Holographic. Well, I'll sleeve that one up. I usually do sleeve up the holographics, but when it gets so repetitive like Championspath, then I start to not, but we're just going to get into 2 more Sword and Shield, the rest of them, and then we'll get into the rest of Championspath. Come on, come on. 2, 3, 4. Water, Energy. Galarian Lanoon, Energy Search. Bisharp, Chinchou, Sizzlipede, Galarian Zigzagoon, Munna, Snom, Ghastly Reverse, and Teleon Holographic. Alright, well, man, what are we going to pull next now? Rillaboom Holographic? Alright, well, hopefully last pack magic with Sword and Shield. Let's get one of these gold cards. Oh, man, that's really glued. My goodness. Some of these are just like extra glued in there. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Energy Search, or Energy Switch. Bisharp, Slazzle, Wooloo, Sobble, Pinkerchin, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Poltegeist, Reverse, is that a rare? Yeah, rare, and Orbeetle. Non-holographic. Alright guys, 3 more packs of Championspath. Let's get that Charizard. Ooh. 2, 3, 4. As these code cards go flying all over my room. Suspicious Food Tin, which is a gold card. Haven't pulled that yet either. Hyper Potion, Malamar, Furloin, Machop, Nickit, Trubbish, Atena, Leopard Reverse, and Altaria Holographic. Second to last pack. Psychic Energy, Beedrill, Milo, Absol, Ocean, Pokeball, Carvana, Ekans, Weedle, Galarian Obstagoon Reverse Rare, and Zygarde holographic. Alright guys, well, we got one more chance. Championspath, last pack magic. Come on, oh creamy. Alright. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Lightning energy. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Victini. Trubbish. Roly-Poly-Poly-Oli. Galarian Zigzagoon. Weedle. Purloin. Roly-Poly-Poly-Oli reverse. And Scrafty. Holographic, guys. Alright, well, I'll show you real quick the pulls. Oh, man. Again, we are short-handed with no Charizards. So, we got Inteleon holographic. Cinderace holographic. Incineroar V. Eldegoss V. Reverse Hollow Fairy Energy. Snorlax V. Dreadnought V Max, which is my favorite pull of the day. And Lapras V, guys. Alright, well, it was not too bad, guys. Trust me, I will not give up. I will still search for that Charizard because I still got plenty of stuff to open. So keep out for that, guys, because I am not giving up. So, alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that opening. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay sane, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on rocking.